Affirmative, a cocktail tribute to K9 from Doctor Who, the loyal, pedantic robot dog. Clean, precise, gunmetal toned with a single glowing red sensor. A stirred, logical drink with clipped edges and zero chaos. A statement of fact. Let's make it. Precisely. 6 elements: Blanco tequila or vodka, dry vermouth, Fernet Branca, fresh lemon juice, a tiny pinch of salt, and 2 dashes of celery or aromatic bitters. K9 does nothing imprecisely. 2 ounces of Blanco tequila, or vodka if you prefer, clean, colorless, precise. K9 is logic incarnate, no warmth, no fuss, just function. Espelon keeps it crisp, Tito's is the vodka route. Either way, the base must be machine clear. Half an ounce of dry vermouth. For cold structure and logic, this is a spare, composed, martini-adjacent drink. Then a 1/4 ounce of Fernet Branca, a mineral, slightly metallic bitterness that reads as, "This is made of metal." Fitting, for a robot dog of gunmetal plating. No Fernet? Any bitter Amaro will do. A 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice for a precise edge. A tiny pinch of salt, that mineral, metallic note, like licking a 9-volt battery, and 2 dashes of celery bitters, the circuitry humming underneath. Stir this drink. Do not shake it. K9 is orderly. No foam. No chaos. Rim a coupe with gunmetal luster dust the steel chassis. Chill it thoroughly. Add the tequila, dry vermouth, Fernet, lemon, salt, and bitters to a mixing glass with ice and stir for 30 seconds. Precisely. K9 does nothing imprecisely. Strain into the chilled glass, clean, clear, machined. Then place a single red cherry at the center, his glowing red sensor. It is now watching you. Crisp, dry, and exacting. Tequila clarity, dry vermouth structure, a whisper of metallic bitterness, a precise lemon edge. A logical drink, not a fuzzy one. A statement of fact in a glass. Affirmative, master. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.